Hello friends and welcome. Here I am with another video related to the network, and this video is going to be on network topology. In our previous video we have discussed everything that is related to a network. So this video is specifically about the network topology. So let's start it. So first thing, we have to understand what a network topology is. It is the physical layout of the joining of a number of computers in the form of a network, or the way that nodes and connections are physically and logically arranged in a network. Here friends, you have to understand that topology mean actually the arrangement or the connection of the devices or the links that is going to establish a network. That means we are going to make a network, build a network. All the things that are required for the formation of a network are going to attach in a way, and that arrangement is known to be the network topology. Network consists of a series of links and nodes. We are familiar with that. So nodes include devices like routers, switchers, repeaters, and computers. So a network topology describes how these components are arranged in a relation to each other and how data moves through the network. So topology, like I have explained earlier, that how the components are going to arranged in relation to each other and how the data is going to move through the network. And the basic difference between architecture and topology is that architecture is a complete picture of how the data will flow. Actually, the data flow, the data control, and the way things are going to process is actually architecture. But on the other hand, topology is actually how a network can be established by connecting all the devices, all the links, nodes, how we are going to arrange them, how we are going to connect them to build a network, and then how data moves through the network. Network topology affects many aspects of network functionality, including data transfer speeds, network efficiency, and network security. And everyone prefer a network that have higher data transfer speed and which have more efficiency and high security. Efficiency is a term when you have to accomplish a task but within the time span, within the given time limit, then that is going to be the efficient. So we always prefer the network that have higher data speeds and more efficient and higher security. When we are discussing about the network topology, there are two aspects of a network topology. One is the physical aspect of a topology and the second one is the logical aspect. Let's discuss them one by one. So first thing, physical topology. By its name, physical. Physical means that actually the appearance and even the actual connection of the devices or the nodes. So what is it? A physical network topology describes the placement of each component in the network and how they are physically connected. A network topology map can help network administrator visualize how devices are connected to each other and how to the best arrange links and nodes. So here friends, the best arranged links and nodes, that means we are going to form a network, we have to connect the devices in a network, but the best way, the best arrangement we are going to establish a network is actually under the physical topology. On the other hand, if we have to discuss about the logical topology describes how network devices appear to be connected to each other and how data flows through the network. That means we have established a network, we have connected the devices, but how the connected devices are going to appear in a network, and now actual term, the data flow through the network. Data doesn't necessarily flow omnidirectional in every network. What does that mean? Omnidirectional mean in all direction. So our flow of data is not necessarily to be omnidirectional. That means it doesn't have to flow in all directions. Sometimes it can flow between two devices or a single device. So it always is not in omnidirectional. Like the logical network topology can illustrate how data should transfer and the number of links and node data transferred through before it reaches the destination. So that is the major difference between the logical and the physical topology. Now, there are multiple types of network topologies. The following are the major types of network topology. Number one in this category is bus topology. Number second is the ring topology. Number three is the star topology. And number four is the mesh topology. There are multiple topologies, hierarchy, tree topology, but the major of them, these four are the major topologies. And inshallah in our next videos I am going to discuss these topologies individually in detail. So if you find my video informative, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves.